Tired of that annoying tapping noise every time your Apple Pencil hits the screen? Imagine writing or drawing with a smooth, quiet glide that feels natural and precise. That's exactly what you get with this Apple Pencil kit, featuring 10 silicone nib protectors designed to transform your stylus experience. I've tried other nib covers before, but they either slipped off or wore out quickly. This set, however, stands apart. Made from high-quality, wear-resistant silicone, these nib protectors offer a perfect grip and exceptional durability. They not only reduce noise but also give you full control, making every stroke feel smooth and responsive. Plus, they're compatible not just with Apple Pencil 1 and 2, but also with other capacitive stylus pens measuring 8 to 10 mm in diameter. Installation is a breeze, no tools required. Just slip the nib cover onto your pencil tip, making sure there's no gap for a snug fit. This compact installation ensures it stays put during your creative sessions or note-taking. Users across the United States rave about how these nibs stay on securely, unlike other brands that fall off and get lost. If you're someone who values precision and comfort while using your Apple Pencil, this kit is worth a look. It keeps your pencil tip protected, quiet, and responsive, extending the life of your stylus and enhancing your overall experience. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your digital writing or drawing routine.